Hello, good morning, students. So, how are you? So, I hope that you would have learned a lot from the first lecture. Okay, so which was of interchange of sentences. So, later after this discussion, I will just share the answer key also. It is already uploaded on your Smart Study app, so you can check from there also. And we will discuss too that some of the common errors which you might have done in your assignment. Okay, so our today's topic is composition. Okay, so in the very first lecture, we discussed that the most important portion in your English 1 paper is the composition. Okay, so here we will discuss that which things we have to take care when we think to write about a good composition. So here we will talk about the basic requirements, basic rules, okay, the keywords which will help you to understand the statement. So which things you should take care, which thing you have to avoid, everything you be able to understand. So I promise you that after this, okay, you would have a different kind of perspective to write your essay. Okay, so please pay attention. So, first of all, the most important question in an English language examination relates to the composition. So, this is the first question, the most important question in your paper. Then you are asked to write the piece of prose in about 350 words. The objective of this question is to test your ability to express yourself. So why it is given to you? So that you can check your ability to express yourself in a well organized, okay, so which is the main point in the essay writing, and usually it is found missing in the essay writing of the most of the student, that they don't write a well organized essay. Then it should be clear, precise means it should be up to the point, and accurate English. So these are the main objectives to check these points, that is your essay well organized, is it clear, is it to the point, is it accurate. Okay, your composition should be logically planned, okay, and laid out well. Okay, so its presentation should be well. Even the most creative original writing will be awarded a low grade if it contains grammatical and linguistic errors. Grammatical errors, okay, if your grammar is not good. Linguistic means your language, okay, if you use formal, informal language, okay. So if you use irrelevant words, so your creative writing will not be considered as the good one. So what are the basic requirements for writing a good essay? So here I have already captured the picture of this page, so you can read in detail. So I will just discuss the main points only. Okay. So first of all, the choice of topics. So you will get 5 topics, okay, in your essay writing. So the choice, it is the important task, that which topic you should start. So I hope that this lecture will help you, okay, to choose the essay of your own choice. So first of all, take time to choose the topic as suggested below. So how to choose a topic? So you should choose that topic which give you the opportunity to write a complete and interesting composition. Okay, means you should go for that which is giving you the chance to write a complete and interesting composition. Okay, so you will be able to make your writing interesting if you have the knowledge about that. So this is presupposes that you choose a subject that you know about. So the topic which you know about, that only you will be able to write with interest. Okay, so to write an effective composition, you must have in your mind some background knowledge. Okay, so the topic which you are going to write, you should have the knowledge about that. So if you are going to write about the advantages of science, disadvantages of science, so you should have the background knowledge. Without that, you can't write a good essay. Facts means some truth. Okay, So it should not be just a guesswork. Opinions means what do you think? Relevant means related to the topic. You should have the detail also on the subject, whatever subject is given to you. Okay. So during your general reading, you would have spent many hours studying other people's ideas, experiences, and opinions. Much of what you have read or experienced in real life might have delighted or disturbed you, but all of it would have enriched your experience. Okay, so what they want to convey you here, okay, you might have read the compositions or the writing of the other, or you might have your personal experience. Okay, so all these things, okay, enrich your experience. So all these things help you to write a good essay. So very first day I told you this also, that okay, your daily life, day to day life, that how much you are aware about your surrounding, okay, that what is going on around you. Okay, so help you a lot to write a good composition. Okay, so choose that topic only which is of your interest. Okay, some students they choose the topic which is not of their interest, and later on they found lack of imagination in the ideas. Okay, so if you want a good imagination, so choose that topic which is of your interest. Okay, so it should be your first hand experience molded by imagination, so try to make it creative by your imagination. So next point is on which you, so you should choose that topic on which you have enough matter to write. Okay, so you will get 5 topics there. So before choosing any topic, you should think that on which topic you can write the, you have the maximum material, so you should go for that only. Then on which you can write easily. Okay, so in which you can give the proper relevant examples. Okay, so you should choose that topic only. In order to write convincingly, you must have some knowledge of the subject concerned. For example, you cannot write about sea voyage, okay, if you have not seen a ship. Means you can't write your experience in a ship sea voyage, samundri yatra. Okay, you can't write about that if you have not seen a ship, or you not being the sea, or you have not read adequately about it. Okay, so this example might help you that what I want to convey. Okay, means ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਗੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬਾਤ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੜਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ, ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਕਸਪੀਰੀਅੰਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ। ਓਕੇ, ਤਾਂ ਉਹੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਨਾਲ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੜਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪਰਸਨਲੀ ਫੀਲ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਸੋ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਗੋ ਫॉर such topic only on which you can provide personal details. So in your essay of this class, okay, they gave the preference that student they should mention the personal detail also, means your personal experiences. Okay, so again I can relate this point with this only. Okay, you should have the knowledge. If you have the knowledge, then only you can provide the personal detail. Okay, so if you will provide personal detail, it will just grab the attention of the examiner. Okay, so it will not just look like that you have read something from the newspapers, you have just read from the essay book, and you are just vomiting it out in the exam. Okay, so take care that it should be original, so you can get the credit. Okay, in which you can show originality. Okay, so again, okay, in which you are required to write an original composition in which your own words, keeping in the mind the particular aspect of the wording of the question. You can't use memorized material, as most of the memorized matter is likely to be irrelevant. So okay, in exams if you just focus on the memorized things, okay, so it is easy to catch. Examiner, they can easily identify that the student has just learnt it, there is no any originality. Okay, so avoid. So try to make it original by writing your own ideas. So here are some keywords, okay, which are used in the statements. Okay, so this will help you Okay, normally students they don't pay attention these words in the statement, so please take care of this thing. Okay, so normally they can ask you about the define. Okay, when they ask you about define, okay, means they you have to focus on the accurate description. Description means something which you had seen and you are going to describe, define of the subject in the question. If they are saying outline, give the outline, then you should focus on the main key points in a logical way. Means ਜਦੋਂ outline, give the outline, ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਕੀ ਪੁੱਛ ਰਹੇ ਆ, ਉਹ ਕੀ demand ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਆ, main or key points. Okay, not the irrelevant things or the things which are less important. Compare means they are asking you to mention the similarities and differences in the subject. Trace means picha karna. Okay, call for a description in stages. Okay, means you have to explain, okay, the different stages of development. For example, you want to write about the topic about the Darwin theory, any theory, so that theory you have to explain, okay, that how that theory developed. Okay, so stages you have to, okay, so from the A to the last Z you have to trace, means you have to follow. Illustrate means when they gave the word illustrate in your essay writing, the statement of essay writing, means they are demanding that you should mention examples of the fact, concept, principle or generalization under study. Okay, so they demand that ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੁਝ ਸੱਚੀ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਲਿਖੋ, concept ਕੀ ਹੈ, principle ਔਰ generalization ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਵਿਆਖਿਆ ਹੈ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਡਿਟੇਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲਿਖੋ. If they ask discuss, okay, consider the different aspect from the different angles. Okay, so discuss means you have to focus on the different aspects means side, the different angles to discuss करना. ओके, आर्ग्यू अबाउट द वैलिडिटी कि हाँ जो पूछा गया है वो ठीक है या नहीं, कितनी हद तक वो ठीक है या नहीं. ओके, critically by presenting the different point of view, it is just like your argumentative essays. Okay, discuss the both points. Okay, describe, if they give you describe word in the statement, okay, they are asking you tell about the features of a person, place or an object. Then narrate means सुनाना. Give and continuous account of something. Continuous के हाँ लगातार कि हाँ कित्थों किमें की होया, that is called narrate. State express clearly, give relevant detail. Okay, here continuous account, here what is different, narrate and state, here you have to relevant detail only. Okay, explain, narrate, one thing I want to clear, narrate it is just like a story, it should look like a story. Then now explain, make known in detail or give reason which account for, such as explain why Sparta had a well organized army. So you have to explain the reason that why the Sparta. Okay, so it is, we can say that a group, it might be a army, you might have seen the movie also, so why they were well organized. Okay, evaluate means you have to give your opinion on something by putting forward your arguments. So evaluate, ਮੁਲਾਂਕਣ ਕਰਨਾ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਬਾਰੇ ਕੀ ਸੋਚਦੇ ਹੋ. Summarize means to give the short account, brief account of something, process of narration, brief. Okay, a report is as the news report, so you have to give the factual account of something as spoken by another person, or make formal statement, okay, about some event. So it is just like a report writing. Okay, justify, in justify you have to give the reason in your sport. Okay, so now precautions means which things you have to avoid. Means precautions means which things you have to take care. Okay, so first of all, okay, answer all the parts of the question. Okay, sometimes your statement it consists of 2-3 questions. Okay, for example, what are the main causes of pollution, okay, uh, how we can reform it, okay, and how you can suggest some ideas. So it is important to answer all the parts. Then make sure your answer is relevant. Okay, so some students, they write, they go out of the task in the flow. Okay, they just try to increase the length. Okay, so for that sake they just go out of the task. Okay, so for example, they are asking you the causes of traffic accident. Okay, so what are the reason? So some students in flow, they write effects of the traffic accident, or they just try to mention the stories. Okay, memorized material, so avoid to use it. Okay, so it should be your own. Okay, or it should be molded in your own way. So presenting memorized material or artificially trying to fit the material into the requirement of the topic will be detected by the examiner, so you can lose your marks if you do this. So your composition must be long enough. So you should take care that how many words they are asking from you. Okay. One more thing which is seen in the exam hall, that students, they just waste their time in counting the words. So they have given instruction, don't count the words. Okay. Count the lines. Okay, so your English should be simple. Okay, some students, they think that that if they will use good vocabulary, okay, they will get the credit, but it is not the uh, right way. Okay, so please, they are just checking your, okay, the way to write. So please focus to write simple. Okay, so good style in English language is simple. Use short common words and not long or rare ones. Okay, so you can use the vocab also. It is also a good way to show your the skills of vocab, but it should not be out of the limit. So in a paragraph you can use 2 to 3 words, new words. Okay, write legibly. This is the common problem in these days, that students, they don't write legibly. Legibly means they should write in good handwriting. Okay, so what you should do to improve your essay writing? Okay, you should read regularly. Okay, so do not read old fashioned book. Okay, so regular reading build up your vocabulary. Okay, so and you come to know about the pattern, verb forms, preposition, article, extra. Set yourself a daily target. So set a daily target. Okay, do not expect a sudden improvement. Some students, they think that they comes to us that, sir, ma'am, how we can improve our essay writing skills. So they are demanded, they are given suggestion by the teachers that you should read regularly. Okay, and they come after reading 2 3 essays and they suddenly demand improvement. So you have to build your patience. Okay, so you can't get the immediate result. Okay, and it also that depend that how you are reading your essay. Okay, so it needs time. So don't expect a sudden improvement within a week. After 2 or 3 months, your English will definitely improve. So hope so that these things will help you a lot. Okay, to improve your essay writing skills and to choose the correct essay also. So as we discussed that, I will discuss the answer key also with you. Okay, so here the main thing you have to take care that your meaning should not change. Okay, so I hope so that you might have attempted. Okay, so first is, it always pours when it rains. Okay, means pours means heavy rain, means ਜਦੋਂ ਮੀਂਹ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਹੈ. It always pours means मूसलाधार बारिश. Rain means ਮੱਧਮ ਬਾਰਿਸ਼ ਜਿਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਓਕੇ, ਮੀਨਸ ਜਦੋਂ ਵੀ ਮੱਧਮ ਬਾਰਿਸ਼ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. Means they are talking about the particular place like Cherrapunji. It always pours in Cherrapunji when it rains. Okay, so you can assume it is the situation of Cherrapunji. It never rains without pour. Means Cherrapunji ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਦੇ ਵੀ ਮੀਂਹ ਬਿਨਾਂ ਭਾਰੀ ਵਰਸ਼ਾ ਤੋਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੈਂਦਾ। ਜਦੋਂ ਬਾਰਿਸ਼ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਮੱਧਮ ਬਾਰਿਸ਼ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਉਦੋਂ ਮੀਨਸ ਮੁਸਲਾਧਾਰ ਬਾਰਿਸ਼ ਦਾ ਹੋਣਾ means there are the chances. So it never rains without pores. We shall never see his like again. So here they are asking and with question mark. So you might and should understand that it is a interrogative question. So his like again, his like again. So it is same. So shall we just brought okay before the subject, okay, before we, and never we change into ever. Shall we ever see his like again? ਕੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਕਦੇ ਉਸ ਵਰਗਾ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ? ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦਾ ਆਨਸਰ ਕੀ ਬਣ ਜਾਏਗਾ? We shall never see his like again. ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਰਗਾ ਕਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਦੇਖਾਂਗੇ। Okay, shall we ever? So normally student they change shall, they write it before we, but they forget to change never. Okay, so in question never change becomes ever. Now the third sentence, her beauty is beyond praise. Okay, means ਉਸਦੀ ਸੁੰਦਰਤਾ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਬਿਆਨ ਨਹੀਂ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾ ਸਕਦਾ, ਉਹਦੀ ਪ੍ਰਸ਼ੰਸਾ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਸਕਦੀ। she is ਇਸ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਕੀ ਹੋਇਆ? she is so beautiful। ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ and it with be praised, okay, means it should be in passive। she is so beautiful that her beauty cannot be praised। Okay, so it will take time students। Okay, you might be finding that how to change it। So as we talked that it need time, you will not get the sudden improvement, so you need to stick। Okay, so you need to stick your that grammar। Okay, so you should set target, okay, to improve your grammatical skills and sentence structure। no other game is as popular as cricket in India। So they are asking that use word the most popular in this sentence, use most popular। so cricket is the most popular game in India। Okay, then he is too ill to come to school। so such kind of sentence are very important, and normally you mostly you find it in your that exam। so please take care of this thing, you might have done in previous classes also। so how to remove this to with so। Okay, so here he is so ill, so with so it is important to use cannot। so it is having a combination, when so is there it is must that you will use cannot। it is he is so ill that he cannot come to school। I am too tired to work any further। so here again the similar sentence। okay, to ਨੂੰ remove ਕਰਕੇ so ਲਗਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੈ, ਤੇ so ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ cannot ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। I am so tired that I cannot walk। I am so tired that I cannot walk। it is a horrible night। it is a horrible night। so they are asking that end it with a horrible night in the exclamatory sentences, and we know that how to make exclamatory sentences। what a horrible night, ਕਿੰਨੀ ਭਿਆਨਕ ਰਾਤ ਸੀ। okay, time is so precious that it cannot be wasted। okay, so again it is the same thing, so we have to replace with to, there we were replacing from this to this, now we are doing just the opposite of the previous sentences। time is too precious to be wasted। so this too will help you to identify that you have to use this TOO2। okay, to it is just very, time is very precious, time is too precious। okay, there is nothing brighter than hope। So is there means it is giving the indication, okay, it is giving the indication that we have to make it interrogative. Is there anything? ਹੁਣ ਇਹਦਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਵਾ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਆ ਉਮੀਦ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਹੋਰ ਕੁਝ ਬ੍ਰਾਈਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ। ਇਹਦਾ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਕੀ ਬਣ ਜਾਊਗਾ, ਇਜ਼ देयर एनीथिंग ਕਿ ਹਾਂ ਉਮੀਦ ਤੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਬ੍ਰਾਈਟ ਕੁਝ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ। I wish I had the wings of a dove. Okay, so here we have to make it exclamatory, had I. Okay, ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਵੀ ਇੱਕ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਹੈ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਵਿਸ਼ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ had I ਕਾਸ਼ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲ ਖੰਭ ਹੁੰਦੇ। Okay, no sooner, so this is the another important sentence, okay, which is easy, no sooner ਤੇ as soon, no sooner ਨੂੰ as soon ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਦਲਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ, okay, ਤੇ as soon ਨੂੰ ਕਾਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਦਲਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ, no sooner ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। ਹੁਣ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਦਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਰੱਖਣਾ, ਜਦੋਂ no sooner ਤੋਂ as soon ਵੱਲ ਜਾਣਾ ਵਾ, okay, as we know that ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ did ਨੂੰ remove ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ first form second form ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਦਲ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। as soon as the bell rang, so check here that ring we have changed into rang। as soon as the bell rang, rest of the portion then you have to cut, then ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ comma ਲਗਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ ਹੈ। okay, so rest of the portion will be written as same। okay, as soon as the bell rang the students rushed out of the classroom। so I repeat it again, ਜਦੋਂ no sooner ਤੇ did, no sooner did ਤੇ as soon ਆ ਜਾਵੇ ਤਾਂ no sooner ਵਿੱਚੋਂ did ਨੂੰ ਹਟਾ ਕੇ ਉੱਤੇ as soon as ਲੱਗ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ no sooner ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਦੇ ਉੱਪਰ, ਅਤੇ did ਨੂੰ ਹਟਾ ਕੇ ਰਿੰਗ ਦਾ ਬਣ ਜਾਊਗਾ rank। ਓਕੇ, then ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ comma ਲਗਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਏਗਾ ਤੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸ ਨੂੰ ਉਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਜਾਊਗਾ। only a film star can afford to live such a luxurious life। so here it is another structure, ਜਦੋਂ only ਤਾਂ ਉੱਥੇ no one ਤੇ but, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਯਾਦ ਰੱਖ ਲੈਣਾ ਕਿ ਹਾਂ only a film star ਉਦੋਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਸਟਰਕਚਰ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਵਾ, no one but। so it is a complete structure, it is a set of rules which you have to follow। no one but a film star can afford to live such a luxurious life। very few Indians are as rich as Azim Premji। so here we have to use richer। okay, ਤਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ rich ਦੀ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ richer word use ਕਰਨਾ। Azim Premji is richer than, ਤਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਕਿ ਕੰਪੈਰੀਟਿਵ ਡਿਗਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ then ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕੀਤੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, then most other Indians। ਤਾਂ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਚੇਂਜ ਨਾ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਕੀ ਲਗਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ, very few Indians ਤੋਂ ਜਗ੍ਹਾ ਤੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੀ ਲਗਾ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਇਹਦਾ ਅਗਰ ਆਪਾਂ ਮੀਨਿੰਗ ਦੇਖੀਏ, very few Indians ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਘੱਟ ਭਾਰਤੀ ਅਮੀਰ ਹਨ ਅਜ਼ੀਮ ਪ੍ਰੇਮਜੀ ਦੀ ਵਾਂਗ। ਓਕੇ, ਤਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਇੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਰਿਚਰ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੰਪੈਰੀਜ਼ਨ ਕਰਨਾ, ਅਜ਼ੀਮ ਪ੍ਰੇਮਜੀ ਇਸ ਰਿਚਰ ਕੇ ਅਮੀਰ ਹਨ ਦੈਨ ਮੋਸਟ ਅਦਰ ਇੰਡੀਅਨਸ ਕਿ ਕਾਫੀ ਭਾਰਤੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਅਮੀਰ ਨੇ। ਦ ਬਰੇਵ ਅਲੋਨ ਡਿਜ਼ਰਵ ਦ ਫੇਅਰ। ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਮੀਨਸ ਜੋ ਬਹਾਦੁਰ ਨੇ ਉਹੀ ਜੋ ਰਿਵਾਰਡਸ ਆ ਡਿਜ਼ਰਵ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ। ਸੋ ਅਗੇਨ none but, so it is the again none but, okay, the brave alone। so here in the 12th sentence they used only and here alone, only alone, so they are similar words। so none but the brave deserve the fear। as soon as he saw, so see now you can check, okay, as soon as no sooner, ਤਾਂ ਇਹ opposite ਆ, ਉਹ ਤੋਂ no sooner ਤੋਂ previous sentence 'ਚ ਆਪਾਂ no sooner ਤੋਂ as soon ਵੱਲ ਚੇਂਜ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀ, ਨਾ as soon to no sooner। ਤਾਂ saw ਦਾ ਕੀ ਬਣ ਜਾਊਗਾ, did ਲਗਾ ਕੇ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਫਾਰਮ, no sooner did he see the lion, okay, comma ਕੱਟ ਕੇ then ਲੱਗ ਜਾਏਗਾ he climbed up a tree। ਤਾਂ ਇਹ sentence just opposite ਹੈਗਾ ਵਾ 11th sentence ਦਾ। so this is the last sentence, so heavy, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵੀ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਗਿਆ ਵਾ, so ਨੂੰ ਚੇਂਜ ਕਰ ਦੇਣਾ to ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ। okay, this fan is too heavy to be lifted by me। so hope so that you would be able to understand। okay, so obviously it will take time। okay, so if you are not unable to understand, so kindly listen the lecture again, okay, 2-3 times। when you will listen it, surely you'll be able to understand। okay, so see you tomorrow with the new topic। thank you and have a nice day।